We had a lot of clients come to us most recently and asked us to help them solve some of their sourcing and recruiting challenges. As you know, when you post a job on Indeed, LinkedIn, or any other job board, if you will, you're going to get a ton of people that just love to press the quick apply button without any recognition to the fact that they may not even be a fit for a job. Maybe they're just practicing and strengthening their fingers to play the piano, but unfortunately, some of the employers we speak with are having a real tough time in trying to figure out how to clean all of that data that's coming in. Some of them are receiving hundreds of emails of applicants. So we built this pretty nice um, integration here, which actually takes the whole process, automates the whole process, uses several different LLMs, parses the resume, answers the questions. More importantly, we're able to tell if the industry for which the client is posting the jobs sort of matches with the applicant's past industries. I mean, people that have worked in manufacturing IT are probably not going to be a fit for working for an internet IT department. Very different kind of software, different kind of systems. So we built a parser to be able to achieve all of these, answer all of these questions, if you will. So once a candidate submits their resume, it goes through a verifying process, including a storage space here in Google Drive, then followed by, depending on what kind of document it is, it'll go through different parsers. So whether it's a PDF or whether it's a Google Doc, but that's all not the fun part. The fun part is once it starts to compare the job description and score the candidates just basically on some subjective and uh, mostly objective keyword searches, it'll parse the whole resume, match it to the job description, score it. More importantly, we'll be able to see, as I mentioned before, if the client that posted this job and the candidate that applied have somewhat relevant industries, including but not limited to their tenure. I mean, obviously, people, unless some extenuating circumstances, that have been in a job for 6 months, 8 months, are not going to move. And to remove all that noise and the false positives, we will eliminate probably 60 to 70% of the applicants to make your life and the life of your recruiters a lot easier, helping you focus on the high level, high touch tasks of speaking to candidates or reaching out to candidates that have actual meat on the bones. More importantly, we can automate this whole process to make it so that once the candidate is identified, we can put a human in the loop. It's a new term, HITL, human in the loop. That's right, that's the acronym. And that person can approve or disapprove once the vetting has been done by the LLMs and the automation. And subsequently, we can send out a personalized email, as I previously showed you within the Clay setup. So the whole process takes seconds, not hours, and saves you a ton of time. And in some instances, you don't need to scale a team in order to do this kind of role because, like I mentioned before, jobs as a result of the AI innovation that's coming down the pike, we are going to have a breakdown of all the silos where teams used to work in little groups. That whole thing is going to just go like a straight line directly to the users that need to see the final data, to push that data, to interact with the data, and send it to the hiring manager. So I would not waste your time on doing manual vetting. It's a waste of time, money, effort. If you'd like a free template, we'd love to help you, no cost. We'd love to test it on various different industries, verticals, and candidate applicants.